little cuphead given up, all out of luck, is outstruck. Now the devil plays his little game, such a tragedy. And the world we knew was pretty black, now take it back, you attack. Just prepare your boots for an adventure, it's in the bag. They make the gravest of mistakes to muddy the eyes of a snake. You must rejoice with your old chum as you run and gun up in the clouds, upon the ground, in what bound so profound. Make it pay the price for taking over with the look of a falling clover by the hills of apocalypse. You saturate this whole place with your magic fingertips, like a tall on the couch is hard.